Welcome everybody to another episode of the Unbox Minute. Today we're going to be looking at a wireless charger from Samsung. So this is an original Samsung wireless charger and this is the super fast standard, so it does a maximum of 15 watts. The box is very simple and of course it can be used for both Samsung Galaxy phones and buds. Of course this is cross-device compatible, so you can use it with other devices as well, as long as they support this standard. So without further ado, let's open up the box and take a look at what's inside. So looking at the package contents, you can see that there is a USB cable. So this is a USB Type-C on one side and Type-A on the other side. There is some basic documentation. So there's information on charging the buds, the phone, a watch, etc. The device is really light. So looking at the actual device, this is black in color, has some cooling vents at the bottom, also some rubber feet to make it stick to your surface, and this is the actual surface which you can charge on. Now there is a USB Type-C connector there. So we'll do a more thorough test of this, maybe with our Galaxy phone or our Galaxy earbuds, and see how it works. Do get subscribed if you aren't for that deep dive video. Hope you're enjoying our content. Don't forget to like and share this with your friends, and see you in the next one.